What's going on, everybody? The truck drivers here. We came to bring a trailer that needed to be repaired at a spot somewhere out in, I believe, where are we at, Jimmy? Fontana, California. So I thought this was a nice real life scenario. Another one. Some of the stuff we got to do on the road, to get things situated and whatnot. So yeah, let's see how we're gonna back this thing into this spot. Because that's what the guy told me, to make sure that we back it in. And it looks easier said than done, to be honest with you. I'm trying to see if I have enough room for what do they call those things? A U-turn. U-turn has been the move of the day for me. And a common theme in that has been a tight U-turn. And I'm not really thrilled about it, to be honest with you. But that's what it is, being out here on the road, and that's what we do. That's why we get paid what we get paid. We gotta make it happen. And that's what I intend on doing. So that U-turn actually worked out pretty good since they had those spots available right there. So now I'm gonna just go ahead and back it into one of those spots. Because the Brainiac and the nice little Mack truck right there went ahead and parked where he did. So now I get to park. If you get an idea, if you want to get a look at it, folks, go ahead and look at the mirror right there. That's kind of what I'm doing. Still in the lines. I'm still in the lines. Luckily, this isn't my regular, everyday task that we have to perform, because it would get a little old at some point. There we go. But the Lord wouldn't give us anything we couldn't handle. If I really needed the help, I could always ask Jimmy to help me. That's one of the biggest perks I think that you have in team driving, other than safety and stuff, is that if you need that spotter, they can always go out there and give you a hand. But just to give you guys an idea of how we made this work right now, it's pretty much what we did. I'll leave it right there in that mirror so you guys can see too. Hopefully you can. If you can't, I'm sorry. But I thought this video would be good, real life situation. Pull up. I have like a little OCD about when I back. When I unhook from the trailer, I want to make sure it's perfectly parallel to the one next to it. That way, I don't want anybody to say your driver doesn't know how to back. He left it crooked and all this crap. Alright, I'm going to take you guys outside with me so you can take a look at it. You can see the surroundings in a much better view. And go from there. And we'll end the video. I know this one was short, but I'm pretty sure it was very entertaining and very well worth it. So come here. See, like I said, parallel. And one thing we always do is we make sure you're not hitting nothing. You have a decent distance back here and everything. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I should be able to walk right through it. If you can, sometimes you can't. Anyway, thank you everybody for watching. We appreciate all the love and support we get from our subscribers. You know, we look forward to making you more videos. I'm sorry. I know I'm not as smooth today. I was driving through Los Angeles for a while. And I'm just happy to be here right now, and I can move on to the next assignment. Alrighty, everybody. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to click the links down below. Don't forget to turn on the notifications so you can get the most recent video. It'll let you know when we get it. Alright? I'm sorry. You will get a notification on the next time we upload a video. There we go. That's what I meant to say. Thank y'all for bearing with me. Be safe. Enjoy your day. Thank you, everybody. God bless. Bye-bye.